Okay, we've created a pivot table with the sum of current stock on hand based on the class, subclass classification. But if you wanted to break it down even further, we can insert what they call slices. So go to the Insert tab, look for Slicer, and you'll notice it brings up the headings that appear in the pivot table. So let's say I'll put in color, classification, and let's try stock turns, and then press OK. And this is what we call slices, which in effect are like little micro filters. And let's say out of this entire table I just want to look at my directional stock. Click on directional and it breaks it down into there. If I don't like it, or if I want to go back to where I was, just click on the little red cross and I'm back there. This time I want my basics, and I want to see basics that are available in black, and as you can see it narrows it down. And then those with a stock turn of 1.1, and there they appear there. So once again, slices. If you want to get rid of a slicer, just highlight it and press delete on the keyboard and they're gone.